Digital Dominoes.
Hey there, digital defenders. Welcome to Digital Dominoes, understanding tech today, shaping tomorrow. I'm your host, Angeline Corvaglia, and I am delighted to be a part of this journey with you. I started this series because I care deeply about making the digital world a better place for the next generation. I know that to get there, we'll need to join forces across generations, countries, and diverse backgrounds. By bringing together a wide range of perspectives and collective wisdom, we can create a safer, more inclusive digital future for everyone. The need for awareness about the AI-filled digital world is huge and constantly growing, so it's easy to get lost and overwhelmed by everything we don't know. But here's the thing. I've found that the solution to this problem lies in working together as a community. Everyone has something important to share. And just like little dominoes, when we put all these pieces of knowledge together, we can make a massive impact. That's the essence of Digital Dominoes. Starting in 2 weeks, I'll release new episodes every Thursday morning. Most episodes will feature amazing guests, and they will be of all ages and experience levels, from young digital natives to leading experts in AI, privacy, and online safety, to concerned grandparents. We'll kick things off with a question that sets the stage for an engaging and informative discussion. So mark your calendars and get ready to dive into the fascinating world of technology with me and my guests. You can find more information and stay updated at digi-dominoes.com or on your favorite podcast platform. Thanks for tuning in to this introductory episode of Digital Dominoes. I can't wait to start this adventure with you. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.
Digital Dominoes.